Hello! Look who we found. Well, look what my son found. My son found a birdie. So I'm gonna feed it organic fruit and vegetable. It's time for feeding. I'm gonna feed it, papas. You wanna look?
Hi,
Yeah.
Papi.
Let's see. Let's see if he'll eat.
Hello, ducky. Duck, duck. Duck, duck. Duck,
I guess he's trying to scream at his mom. There you go. You like that, huh? You like that, huh? Okay, let's do another one.
Hello, buddy.
Let's see. Let's get it a little bit more for him to eat. I don't know when was the last time he fell off the house.
He is hungry.
I don't know if you like Gerbert, but I'm not making nothing special for you.
Hi, guys, Spider-Man. Maybe alright.
Let's see if it survives. Let's see how long it survives. I'm gonna feed him every 2 hours since he's a baby.
Wait, he's sleeping with us?
No, he's not sleeping with us.
He's sleeping. Where is he sleeping?
Right there.
Right here?
No, I'm gonna make room for him.
Yay! Can he be right next to me? Hello, Ducky. Duck, duck.
Oops, sorry. Sorry.
Duck, duck.
She liked it. Oh, it liked it. Come here, papas. Let's take a picture. Come here. Me and you and the bird. me and you and the bird. Let me see. That's it. Okay, 1, 2. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
How?
Look at me. Look at me. Okay.
Mommy, what about the duck?
What duck?
This.
It's not even a duck.
Oh,
Alright, let me fit. Oh, she wants some more. I want some more.
that's why she's by mine. You.
Okay, peace out.
Bye bye.
I'm gonna keep feeding it.
Bye bye.